Hi guys, this is me again. This is another video, another vlog. And today we're going to unbox a new accessory for my vlogging camera, which is the Canon M50. So we're gonna unbox the Canon 50mm 1.4, and of course we have here the adapter for the Canon M50, and also it comes free with this one is the accessories we're going to unbox also. So let's unbox first the lens. So here's the lens. It's 50mm, sorry, 50mm 1.4, the ultrasonic 50mm Canon 50mm 1.4. So let's unbox. This is a quick unboxing only. So here's the manual, and this is the box. And this is the lens. Wow, if you can see, I'm using a selfie camera, so it's the lens, guys. Like this. And this is the Viltrox EF-EOS, the adapter, so we can connect this lens to our Canon M50. So let's quick unbox this one. Oh, out of the box, when you open the box, you'll get this manual again. This what is this? Warranty card. And this is out of the box, you'll get this one. And wow, this is the one on this. And oh, this is our adapter. So Viltrox mount adapter EOS M. So let's try to open. Let's try to use to our, so let's try to put in the Canon M50. So like this, twist. Oh my god, so it doesn't look so big, fits perfectly here in our Canon M50. And let's try, this is my first try, and this is our Canon M50. Wow, so here it is, guys, the Canon 50mm 1.4 looks so good with our Canon M50 here. It is connected through the adapter, which is the Viltrox EF-EOS M, not the speed booster, and it looks so good, so handy. And that's it. And also we have here the accessories for our 50mm 1.4 lens. So let's open this one. Let's put this on the side. I got this for free when I buy the lens, so it's a good buy for me. It's actually the filters and the hood. So the box is this one. I don't know what is this. We have here the sling. This is the hood, the butterfly hood for the lens, and the extra cup. And I guess this is another hood also. Let's see how to open this. This is from newer, I don't know, newer, I guess. So I don't know how this one will work, I don't know. So we have here the filter. I have ND filter. There are 3 ND filters and also we have here the polarizing filter. Yeah, total of 6 filters. So here are the filters that comes free when I buy the lens, 50mm lens. So I got a very good purchase there. This one, the hood, the extra lens cup, and this one. So that's it, guys. This is our quick unboxing of the new 50mm 1.4 lens for my Canon M50 with the Viltrox adapter and the accessories that comes with it. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, you can subscribe, and let's go outside and try this new lens.